any place but home, 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 any place but home. It didn't work. I'd rather be at regular school than at home. Then I wouldn't have to make silly videos and I'd just get to teach you like normal. This week's grammar lesson is going to be about than versus then. These two words are words that ninth graders regularly confuse, but they're also words that adults regularly confuse in their writing or their social media posts and other things that they're doing. So let's review than and then. So first, let's look at than. Than is used when you are comparing two things. So my first example on the board is, this is better than that. Some of you might say regular school is better than distance learning. Another example is, you stayed up later than me. So we're comparing two things or two things that people have done to state that one is better or one is different or whatever. So you're using than when you're comparing things. But then, let's learn about then. So the definition that goes along with then is that it's used when time is involved. And that statement is a little bit confusing, so we're going to look at some examples. So one example is, back then things were different. So this idea of back then is something that involves time because it happened a long time ago. The other example is, I will make this video and then I will have lunch. So I'm comparing time. So I'm making this video, then in another time, I'm going to have some lunch. We've looked at sentences that use the word then before when we've done our warm-ups normally. So it would say something like, the kids at the park played soccer, basketball, and then softball, whatever. So it's just thinking about time and also sort of this idea of listing things. So now you're gonna go and you're gonna try the quizzes and you're gonna do the best you can to not confuse than, which is comparing two things, and then, which is talking about time. Good luck.